be like an upbeat person, like, yeah, welcome to my channel. It's not me. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Welcome back to my dumpster fire of a channel. I'm Kara, or Urban Garbage. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday morning routine for school or work, or I guess to go to the library and do homework. You're a fucking nerd. No one likes you. So if you want to see how I go from this to this,
fuck yeah!
Every morning, keep watching. To start off my day, I usually spend about 30 minutes staring out the window and just regretting being conscious. Once I'm finally out of bed, I take a moment to regret that decision, and then I start practicing basic oral hygiene like a normal human. To prep my skin, I start by carelessly splashing water all over my face and destroying my bathroom. Using the Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream, I exfoliate all the dead skin off of my face. I wash my face by using the Clinique liquid facial soap and a spin brush that no longer works. For toner, I use Thayers Witch Hazel and a round cotton pad just to get the rest of the dirt out of my skin. Don't forget a moment of existential dread. Moving on, to add moisture back into my skin, I use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Finally, I try and regain control over the rat's nest that is my hair. To start off my everyday makeup routine, I spend a couple of minutes picking out every flaw on my face that literally no one else can see. Then I pull my hair back with my spooky headband, and it's time to get to work. For my everyday primer, I use the E.L.F. Poreless Face Primer, and I just rub it all over my face. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation in 170. With a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to evenly apply that all over my face. In an attempt to hide all of my dark circles and imperfections, I'm masking my entire face with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm going to set my face with the Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Setting Powder and a damp beauty blender to ensure that the mask that I've created stays on all day. To add some color back into my face, I'm going to start by taking a fluffy angled brush and using the shade Hoola from the Benefit Cheekleaders palette to contour my face. As an alternative to plastic surgery, I'm going to use the same shade and a small angled brush to contour my little bean nose. For blush, I'm using the shade Coralita from the same Cheekleader's palette. Just to bring back some light into my life, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones using the shade Cookie. For eyebrows, I use Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown and a thin angled brush. I can do a full video on how I do my eyebrows if you guys would like to see that. Let me know in the comments below. Using my MAC Painterly paint pot, I'm going to quickly prime my lids. course, I have to incorporate my Jefferey Star Blood Sugar palette into my everyday routine. Taking the shade O Negative and a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to lightly blend that into my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking a shade similar to my natural skin tone and packing it onto the lid. Back into the Blood Sugar palette with the shade Glucose and a small little detailed brush, I'm going to pack that into my inner corner and then highlight my brow bone with the same color. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm going into my Moprhe M35 palette and I'll be using the shade Black Magic. Next, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to be drawing on some motherfucking wings. Now that I'm hunched over like a ghoul and there's thunder roaring in the background, I will be applying my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Lately, I've been using the Lash Pops Sin Nude Lashes. I'm going to go apply those off camera. Now that my obnoxiously long eyelashes are on, I'm going to be applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crush all over my lips. Using my MAC Studio Fix Plus spray, I'm just going to set my makeup for the rest of the day. For the days that I don't feel like putting my hair up in a bun, I usually just give it a quick one-over with the straightener so that it doesn't look totally crazy and frizzy. Yeah, and here's the final look. So I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the things that every YouTuber tells you to do, but on my channel. And hopefully I will see you guys soon. I need like Jefferey Star Beauty Killer playing in the background.